Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can recover your photos, videos and even chats on Snapchat, because Snapchat has the option that basically you can download your videos, chats and photos on your mail. Alright, so basically the first step what you need to do here is of course to open Snapchat, and then what you need to do here is to press on the Bitmoji that is on a top left corner, and then you need to press on little gear icon that is on a top right corner. And then you need to look for my data option. It will be on the bottom. As you can see here, this is above the logout, there is my data option. You need to press on that. And after that, you need to log in again into your Snapchat. So I will do this right now. So guys, as you can see here, I logged in, and here you will get all the information that is mentioned here as a zip file into your email account. And as you can see here, typically it will be available within 24 hours, and they recommend that basically you check information via PC or laptop because it will be more convenient for you. So basically in this page what you need to do here is to scroll down until you see the submit request, press on submit request, and they will send you all the data to your email. Alright, so if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.